What's up, guys? Scott here at EngineLabs. I'm here in Charlotte, North Carolina, my hometown. I'm about to head out to the convention center right now for the HPX 2026. Check out all the cool new engine products for this year.
The carbide industry right now is, if you're in the manufacturing world and utilize carbide tooling, then you know the cost that has increased over the last year. Right now, the APT market is since February, March of 2025 was trading at $300 per metric ton. And currently, right now, the APT tungsten carbide market is trading at about $3,200 per metric ton. So with that supply being less than, but due to the government controls and mining issues has caused, a lull in the supply and demand for, everybody across, the country, really. Yes, we do. We actually consign a lot of our rod, and really right now we're probably 6 months out trying to help establish a baseline instead of a recoating process every 5 to 7 days. So we're trying to help our end users and customers, and help regain some of, the cost of the initial product that's being used in manufacturing. We cover from backyard shops all the way to mass production with about 55 grinders in Wisconsin, and all of our product is actually manufactured in the United States. So we rely on this product, on a daily basis, and our end users rely on us. So right now, regrind is probably a third of what a brand new is. Brand new end mill with this type of coating is probably top of the line. High helix for stainless steels are better. It's going to cost you 140, 150 bucks. And then you take this 1/2 inch end mill, which is a rougher, or you take this 1/2 inch 5-flute high helix, is going to be, probably a quarter or less of the cost of what this end mill is. And based on industry standards, from a regrind standpoint, it's normally a 20-20 where you're taking 20 thousandths off the sides and 20 thousandths off the bottoms. But there's also other alternatives where if you're only using the end of the end mill, then you tip the end of it, center cut it, and then re-quote it, and you got a brand new end mill instead of putting it in a recycle bin. So we're encouraging all of our customers and manufacturing networks to turn over every stone in their shop for recyclable material.
Yeah.
And, contact us, ATI, or, your current supplier, and seeing what you can do about regrinds to help cut your cost, for your end of month P&Ls where everybody else is looking for. That way you're not, you're taking full advantage of the recycle programs, the regrinding programs, and, trying to keep money in trying to sustain the market until we get better control and come to a plateau instead of a continuous rise.
Well, cool. Thank you very much, Michael. I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you.